Practice uphill parking with a raised curb on the right side of the roadway. Signal right, check your rearview mirror, check your right blind spot, get close to the curb, make a complete stop with the wheel straight. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park, and this is uphill with a curb, so it's one complete revolution of the steering wheel to the left. And of course the signal goes off automatically. Now you're leaving. The first step is to straighten the steering wheel one revolution to the right. Get rid of your parking brake, place the gear selector to drive, signal to the left, check your rearview mirror, your left outside mirror, your left blind spot, and if it's safe, you drive off in a straight line. Then cancel your turn signal. You're done.